What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing a CS style front lip on the STI right there, which is carbon fiber from Ikonmotorsports. And the only thing bad I could say about that company is that they sent me the wrong lip. So this lip took like 3 more days to get here, but they sent me like a Corvette splitter. I don't even know what happened, but they got me right. I emailed them. They were super fast to respond, and they got me the right lip this time, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit. So I'll be doing that, and then also I'm going to be taking off the stock catback just because I want to hear how it will sound, if it's going to be like super loud if I go with like a ETS Extreme catback. And if I do go with like a catback that doesn't have mufflers, I'm for sure going to get the mid-pipe resonators. So that's that, because then I'll get the J-pipe or downpipe resonator as well. Because I want it to be loud, guys, because this thing's going to be insane, like 800 wheel horsepower minimum. That's my goal. So this is for sure going to be the race car, which I want it to be super loud. So make sure to like the video, comment on things you guys would like to see. And now let me get to showing you guys the front lip. Okay guys, so this is the front lip. It came packaged super good, as you guys can see. It was bubble wrapped, and then this other wrap over here, and it came in this big box over here, and another wrap or whatever that is. But yeah guys, okay guys, so installing this lip is going to be super simple, and what I'm going to be using is a rivet. So there's my gun, and then these are my rivets over here, and I'm going to be using a 3/16 drill bit, Milwaukee. Guys, what's your opinion on Milwaukee? Like, people say it's good, but then they say DeWalt's the best or whatever, but I don't know, honestly. I just grabbed this one. It was a good deal on Black Friday, so it's whatever. So anyways, I'm going to be evenly spacing out the holes. I have about like 12 rivets over here, so we'll see how this looks afterwards. Just make sure you get the right size drill bit. And as you guys see here, this thing fits perfectly. It'll perfectly go through with just a tiny bit of force. So once you do all this, then you'll kind of set it up on your car, and then you're gonna drill where the holes are at onto your bumper. Okay, so I finally drilled all the holes, and in total there's 13 holes, evenly spaced out, so it will never fall off. Hopefully, we'll see how long this lip lasts. I know that the other one lasted a pretty long time actually, and I was on coilover, so. Okay guys, so this is what I have going on. I'm improvising here. Installing this lip would be a lot easier with 2 people, so I just put that cooler to hold it in the middle, and then I have my STI stock tire over there holding that side, and then I just riveted this side first, just the end, and then I'm gonna go hop to the other side and then do that, and then put all the other ones up. Okay guys, so far it only has 1 rivet over there, so on that side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 on this side, which is holding everything up. I'm just gonna install all the other ones along the lip, and we should be ready to go. And for those not knowing how these work, well, with this gun, once you click it, this little piece comes off, and then this is how it looks up here. All those rivets up there. Let's see over here. And then right here, there was like a black rivet, so that's why you can't really see it. But yeah, they're all evenly spaced out, and this honestly should not fall off. This is way better than screws, guys. 100% recommend doing this. Just look at this lip, guys. This thing looks insane. Let me give you guys a side view over here. That looks so clean. Fitment is perfect, honestly. You see that? Perfect. This thing looks sick. I can't wait to put it off these ramps and then just look at it. This thing honestly is gonna look lowered, so it's gonna look pretty cool. So if you just wanted to look at the lip install video, that's how it is and that's how it looks. I 100% recommend buying this product, and it's super cheap. It's like 300 and something, brand new, guys. Really recommend it, because other brands are like what, 600, 700 bucks from like Save On. I'm like, bro, I'm probably gonna mess this lip up, so I'm just gonna go with this cheap option, but which is like 100% quality material, guys. I really recommend this one. I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but I really recommend you guys to buy this if you have a 2015 plus WRX or STI. So if you want to stick along in this video, I'm going to be taking off this stock catback, which is going to make the car sound how it's actually supposed to sound. So let's get right into that. Okay guys, so just so I could hear the car, how it would sound, I just disconnected the mid pipe from the down pipe or J pipe, whatever you guys want to call it. I just took those 4 bolts off. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. So it's those right there, and then you go over here. I'll show you what I used. I literally just used this. This is all you need. So this is a 12mm socket with the wrench. So it's that, and then the little nut or bolt or whatever. And I'll show you guys under here. So that's basically what I did, and yeah, so I will turn it on for you guys right now, and then so you guys could hear how it sounds, and hopefully this thing sounds badass. So let's fire this baby up. Honestly guys, I'm so excited on how this thing's gonna sound. So let's see, e-brake is on, neutral, so this thing doesn't launch me forward into the house. Yo, this thing sounds badass. This thing's deep. It's kind of like a cold start, sort of. Yo, you guys, this thing sounds mean. I can't wait to take you guys on a little drive. Yo. Yeah, you could definitely hear the rumble on this thing. That's insane. That thing is loud. I'm gonna be getting in so much trouble in this car now. But heck. Now I just need to know what I'm gonna do with that pipe, because I just can't have that pipe just hanging there. Because I did want to take the whole thing off, but I'm afraid I'm gonna get pulled over just because I don't have an exhaust on the car. Okay guys, and I think that's gonna wrap it up. We got the stock exhaust on. I honestly just zip tied it. I kind of modified it, kind of ghetto, but it works. And honestly, let's see from the back how it looks. See if it looks stock or not. You guys can't, dude, honestly, I can't even tell that pipe is down from the stock pipe. That's literally perfect. That's literally what I wanted. So let me just turn it on for you guys real quick. One last time. Now it's for sure a lot quieter. Nope, no sound there. Sounds over here, boys. That's pretty sick. It's honestly perfect. Anyways, if you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, like it up. Probably the next mod is probably either coilovers and the exhaust for sure. But for now, this thing looks pretty badass. Looks built. There's a front lip, clean. Hopefully I don't scrape on my driveway over here, but. Okay guys, I went to AutoZone real quick to get some more heavier duty zip ties. And this is what I got. I got some like stainless steel ones that hold up to like 200 pounds, so these are for sure going to work. So anyways, guys, I've been driving a little bit through town right now, and this thing is freaking loud. I didn't think it was gonna be this loud. I don't even know if I wanted to go with the ETS Extreme anymore. Jeez, I haven't actually hit it, but this thing just freaking purrs. Yo, I don't know if it's because I haven't driven a loud car in a while, but this is just loud like all the time. Like my WRX was not like this. It was only loud when I actually like floored it. I have to like shift all the gears like super early just so it doesn't just so it's not like super loud. Here, let's see if I could go through the gears. Windows are up right now. Yeah, guys, this thing's loud. I don't know if it's because it's coming right under my seat, but this thing's freaking loud. Yo, this thing's freaking loud. No freaking way, dude. See, it sounds like it has an external wastegate. What the hell? I don't know if you guys are listening to what I'm listening to. Well, that thing sounds insane, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it at that for this video. I'm gonna have some fun with this thing. Hopefully I don't get in trouble with this thing. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching again. Subscribe to the channel. A lot more content to come. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.